Azalea, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Way Crunchy. This old shack series, my partner and I, like 8 months ago, bought this old shack. It was $20,000 cash, and we're dreaming of a freer life, free from rent, free from mortgage, building wealth, not debt. So this room is done. This is going to be me and John's bedroom. We do need a door. There's a curtain right there currently. This is one of the few bits of the house that we have managed to finish. This room is ready. Now, there was no electricity, no plumbing, nothing when we got the house. It was full of garbage. It was disgusting. It's falling apart. Holes everywhere, everything. But we have been working and working and working, and it's so much better. We love to also work the land. My partner John has cleared this 1/4 acre almost entirely, and we've been putting in gardens. We've discovered mulberry trees and a walnut tree and several critters like groundhogs that I've had to remove from the property. Now, last week, because this project has dragged on and on, I shared the very real fact that I was getting a little burnout. I was getting a little tired. I was getting a little frustrated. I want to move in. Now, if someone tells you, if someone renovating a house tells you that no, they never got frustrated, no, they never felt overwhelmed, they're lying to you. This is a big project. Sometimes you have moments where you get overwhelmed. Sometimes you have impatience. And you just got to deal with it. Power through it. Don't just wallow in it. You got to flip the script. Change your perspective. Last week I bought a shop vac. That boosted my morale and accelerated the cleanup here in the house. And so today I'm starting, because I need a little bit of a morale boost right now. I need to see that light at the end of the tunnel. I'm starting in this room today that is finished, that feels beautiful. The floors are finished. Everything in this room is finished. Now, we had here on the Way Crunchy channel a virtual housewarming, getting us ready to move into this house. And we received so many beautiful gifts. You can go back and watch that video. And one of the gifts that we got was just beautiful curtains. Now, today I'm going to start by hanging curtains in our beautiful bedroom to just give me a little bit of, yeah, this is our house. It's pretty. We're going to move into it. Y'all, look how crazy this house was before. It was crazy. It was full of garbage. Everything was filthy. It had been uninhabited. I think the last time anyone lived here was 2014, and the house was deemed uninhabitable. It didn't actually have good electricity. I mean, it was just some kind of raggedy living situation for somebody who was living a little bit of a raggedy life at the time, I think. Anyway, the house has come so far. You can watch the entire journey from day one here on the Way Crunchy channel, this old shack playlist, and see how it's going. Now, I've had this YouTube channel for a long old time, so y'all can see the before stories that motivated me to want to break free of the chains of rent and mortgage and live a more frugal, debt-free life. All right, y'all, let's hang some curtains. Oh God, I love these curtains. Above, maybe up above. right, so that's one panel up. There's 2 panels for each window. Now, when I did a wish list for the Amazon housewarming thing, and so I did not think these had the rings. I thought that they were the kind you slide the curtain rod through. And so all of these curtain rods were just in the house when we bought it. So I thought I'd be able to use those nice rods that would look really good with these rings. They're a little bit expensive, but I actually just got one for John's office downstairs for $2 at the Goodwill. So I can use these cheap ones that were just in the house. I spent 99 cents on the hardware to apply them to the wall. I think that's gonna look fine for now. And then I'll pick up like some nice decorative rods, you know, with little balls on the end or something. I actually have some nicer curtain rods in our barn right now, but I can't take down all the curtains in the barn, and the curtain rods. So actually I definitely will have something nicer than this when we move here. I just can't expose us to the whole neighborhood while we're still in our rental. But, the color, y'all, they are so good looking. I can't wait to get the other ones up. Yeah. Do y'all like it? Do y'all like it? Look at it with the light fixture, and then I'll put up the other half. So this is a cool vintage retro light fixture I got at the Habitat Restore with these curtains. It's coming. These hassles give me life. So this isn't the ideal curtain rod for this situation, but like I say, I have some even in our rental that would be even better, and I can find some even fancier ones over time, but this is gonna be just right for right now. The house has come a long way. I'm gonna be honest, this house has come a long way. We're getting there. Almost moving, almost. So the other day when I just like makeshift painted the bathroom floor metallic black, it looked so good. It held up so good on footprints and walking back and forth in there that I decided to bring it all the way through this hall. And things are starting to look a lot closer to move-in ready again. God, I got discouraged last week. This week, we're rolling. We are rolling to that move-in. So I said to myself, Azalea, if you don't get a whole lot of stuff done today and cross some stuff off your to-do list, you're going to go crazy. So I finished the upstairs hall floor, hung the curtains, and now I'm working on this basement drywall. So I got to do the joint compound, get this all sealed up. Then she needs paint and put her trim back along the floor. Now I can be able to get this done before me and John have a work weekend in a few days, and then he can help me on the other side of the room. We only got one piece of drywall up on that side the other day when we were working on it. So we're gonna have to cut and screw and measure and all that over there. But I can get us a little further down the road on this side today. that's an accomplishment. Let that dry, get another layer of joint compound on there tomorrow or this weekend. Now, if I can get this door scraped and primed, measure it, mark it, when John's here, we'll saw it down to size this weekend. And maybe I can just task him with hinging and hanging this on the bathroom. And then the bathroom will have a door. And won't that be, oh, luxurious and fancy? A bathroom with a door. Oh, Lord. Paintbrush. I'm gonna need to ventilate this room. I'm telling y'all, now that I have a shop vac, my whole life makes more sense. Hit this thing. Like, wow. I did not realize how much I needed a shop vac. This whole basement is getting shop vac. The house is improving. That door is going to be ready to be sawed. Basement's considerably cleaner. Unless I'm going to start cutting more drywall, then I've done what I can in the basement. And that's something John and I work well together on. I can't go back upstairs because I painted the floor. I'm kind of fumed out from that kill, so I don't want any more fumes, really. All right, so I decided that was enough work at the house for today. I was starting to feel exhausted, and I'm trying to, keep morale up and get a ton done, but also balance that with self-care. Anyway, after I left the house, I went to the Habitat for Humanity Restore, as I do, and I bought for $25 a long piece of laminate countertop. So, do I have that whole kitchen thing sorted out? No. But now I own a stainless steel sink and I own a laminate countertop. Now I just need something to set it on. Or if I find something different, I didn't spend that much money on the laminate. I didn't spend anything on the stainless steel sink. So yeah, piecing it together bit by bit, it will come together. It is coming together. And we can, we can do something different later, especially if we don't pour a lot of money into it for the temporary fix. Also, the kids, I picked up for Tom a new bed frame. So the other day, I took Zinnia's bed frame down and took it over to the new house. And so both kids are on floor beds, just mattresses on the floor right now. And so I will take the new bed frame over to the new house. So both the kids' bed frames will be in the house. So yeah, move-in's happening. Love you guys. If you have any questions, anything you'd like me to address or talk about in my next videos, let me know in a comment down below. Bye, y'all.